Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the footage into Capcut and duplicating the clip so you always have the original. Next, add an overlay track and place a mask or blur layer above the duplicate. This lets you hide writing without altering pixels permanently. Once done, slow playback to 1/2 speed to scrub frame by frame. This makes selecting text frames and positioning masks far more accurate. Make sure to name tracks clearly so you can toggle visibility quickly during later steps. You now draw a mask precisely over the writing and increase feather so edges blend naturally. This is how you hide text without a harsh box. If the writing moves, use Capcut's auto track first, then switch to manual keyframes to refine every few frames. This gives control when the tracker slips. Once the mask follows the text, apply a localized blur or sample nearby pixels for a patch effect so the covered area matches surrounding texture. Keep toggling the original clip visible to compare. You finish by polishing the mask. Tweak opacity, feather, and edge size until the cover looks natural in motion and color. Then render a short test export of the affected segment and watch at full speed to confirm there's no stutter or visible patching. If you see artifacts, retrack with smaller keyframe intervals or soften the feather and retry. If that fails, duplicate the clip and use a clone/patch tool frame by frame. Remember, exporting small tests saves time compared with full renders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.